Hey, good morning and happy Friday to you. I want to invite you to my open house tomorrow from 2 to 5 p.m. at 15681 Montebello Road. And this is beautiful. This is in Cupertino, and a lot of people don't know that Cupertino has mountains over here. And this particular property that I'll be hosting has 51 acres and it's a private estate. It's lovely. I can't wait to show you the video. And it's a 4-bedroom, 5-bath property with 5,400 square foot of living space and acreage. And I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what you will see tomorrow. I'll be hosting the property tomorrow at 2 to 5, and I hope you can make it. I've ridden over here, this Montebello Road, and it's a nice hill climb along the beautiful wineries over here. And so there's twisty roads up here, and it's just gorgeous. It's quiet. You can hear the birds and the chipmunks, and it's lovely. So anyway, I'm just going to share with you the sights